Ever wondered why service organizations are so different from manufacturing companies? Well, it's all about service technology. Unlike physical products, services are intangible and perishable. They can't be stored, they're consumed immediately or lost forever. And here's the kicker: in service firms, employees and customers interact directly. Production and consumption happen simultaneously. That's why service firms are flexible, informal, and decentralized. They need to be close to the customer. Think banks, hotels, and fast food franchises. But here's the cool part: some services can be standardized, just like Dr. Devi Shetty's hospital in India. By applying standardized operating procedures, they perform open-heart surgery at a fraction of the cost without compromising quality. So, next time you experience great service, remember the unique world of service technology. It's all about delivering quality.